Rome. The Eternal City, Rome, the capital of Italy, is a city steeped in history, art, and culture. It's a place where ancient ruins coexist with modern life and where every corner tells a story. Must-see attractions. Colosseum. This iconic amphitheater is one of the most famous landmarks in the world. Roman Forum. Explore the ruins of ancient Rome, including the Forum Romanum and the Palatine Hill. Trevi Fountain. Toss a coin into this magnificent fountain and make a wish. Pantheon. Marvel at the engineering marvel of the Pantheon, with its impressive dome. Vatican City. Visit St. Peter's Basilica, the Vatican Museums, and the Sistine Chapel. Spanish Steps. Relax on these iconic steps and enjoy the view of the city. Castel Sant'Angelo, a historic castle and mausoleum with stunning views of the city. Trastevere. Wander through the charming streets of this historic neighborhood. Things to do. Explore the ancient ruins. Immerse yourself in the history of Rome by visiting the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Palatine Hill. Visit the Vatican City. Marvel at the stunning art and architecture of St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel. Wander through the city center, get lost in the narrow streets of Rome, and discover hidden gems. Enjoy Italian cuisine. Savor delicious pasta, pizza, and gelato. Shop till you drop. Explore the high-end boutiques and local markets. Take a day trip. Visit nearby towns like Tivoli or Ostia Antica. Rome is a city that will captivate you with its history, art, and culture. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply looking for a romantic getaway, Rome has something to offer everyone. Ancient Rome, a legacy of power and culture. Ancient Rome was one of the most powerful and influential civilizations in history. Its legacy continues to shape our world today. Rise and fall of the Roman Empire. The Roman Empire's journey began as a small city-state and evolved into a vast empire that dominated much of Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. Key periods include the Roman Kingdom, the earliest period ruled by kings. Roman Republic, a period of republican government marked by expansion and conflict. Roman Empire, the era of imperial rule, during which the Roman Empire reached its peak. Roman achievements. The Romans made significant contributions to various fields, engineering and architecture. The Romans were master builders, constructing aqueducts, roads, bridges, and monumental structures like the Colosseum and the Pantheon. The Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheater, is an iconic landmark in Rome and one of the most recognizable symbols of the Roman Empire. It was built in the 1st century AD and was used for gladiatorial contests and public spectacles. Key features of the Colosseum. Size. It is the largest amphitheater ever built, capable of holding around 50,000 spectators. Architecture. The Colosseum is an elliptical structure made of stone, concrete, and tuff, with 4 levels of arches and columns. Hypogeum. The underground level where gladiators and animals were kept before the shows. Water system. A complex system of pipes and drains was used to flood the arena for naval battles. The Pantheon is one of the most iconic and well-preserved ancient Roman structures. It's a masterpiece of Roman architecture, known for its massive dome and stunning interior. The Pantheon was originally built as a temple to all the Roman gods by Marcus Agrippa in 27 BC. It was later rebuilt by Emperor Hadrian in 126 AD after a fire. The Pantheon has served various purposes throughout history, including a church, a mausoleum, and a museum. The dome. The Pantheon's dome is one of the largest unreinforced concrete domes in the world. It's a marvel of engineering and has inspired architects for centuries. Oculus. The oculus, a circular opening at the top of the dome, allows natural light to illuminate the interior. Portico. The portico, supported by Corinthian columns, is a striking entrance to the building. Interior. The interior is beautifully decorated with marble and niches containing statues of Roman gods and goddesses. Rome offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget and preference. Here are some popular choices. Hasla Roma, a historic hotel with stunning views of the Spanish Steps. Hotel de Russi, a luxurious hotel with beautiful gardens and a Michelin-starred restaurant. The Pantheon Hotel, a stylish hotel located near the Pantheon. Hotel d'Inghilterra, a charming boutique hotel with elegant rooms and a rooftop terrace. Hotel Quirinal, a historic hotel with beautiful views of the Quirinal Hill. Palazzo Naiadi, a modern hotel with a rooftop pool and stunning views of the city. While Rome is generally a safe city for tourists, it's important to be aware of common street crimes, particularly pickpocketing and scams. Here are some tips to stay safe. Pickpocketing. This is the most common crime in Rome, especially in crowded tourist areas like the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Trevi Fountain. Scams. Beware of scams, such as fake ticket sellers, phony charity organizations, or people offering to help you with directions. Safety tips. Be aware of your surroundings. Pay attention to your belongings, especially in crowded areas. Secure your valuables. Keep your valuables secure in a money belt or a secure pocket. Avoid carrying large amounts of cash. Use reliable transportation. Use official taxis or public transportation to avoid scams. Be wary of strangers. Be cautious of strangers who approach you, especially if they seem overly friendly or offer unsolicited help. Trust your instincts. If something feels wrong, it probably is. Trust your instincts and remove yourself from the situation. By following these tips, you can enjoy your trip to Rome without worrying too much about street crime. Remember, most people in Rome are friendly and welcoming, but it's always important to be cautious and aware of your surroundings. Taxis in Rome, a guide getting around Rome by taxi. Taxis in Rome can be a convenient way to get around the city, especially if you're traveling with luggage or have limited mobility. However, it's important to be aware of a few things before hailing a cab. How to hail a taxi. Taxi ranks. Look for official taxi ranks located throughout the city. Street hail. You can also hail a taxi on the street, but be sure it's a licensed taxi with a visible taxi sign on the roof. Taxi fares. Metered fares. Rome. Taxis use meters, so the fare will depend on the distance traveled and the time of day. Night surcharge. There's a night surcharge, typically from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Luggage fees. Some taxi companies may charge extra fees for luggage. Rome offers a diverse culinary scene with a wide range of traditional Italian dishes and modern interpretations. Here are some of the best foods to try in Rome. Classic Roman dishes. Pasta alla carbonara. A creamy pasta dish made with eggs, guanciale, cured pork cheek, pecorino romano cheese, and black pepper. Cacio e pepe, a simple but delicious pasta dish made with just cheese, black pepper, and pasta water. Spaghetti alla amatriciana, a tomato-based sauce with guanciale, pecorino romano cheese, and chili flakes. Saltimbocca alla romana, veal cutlets topped with prosciutto and sage, served with a white wine sauce. Carciofi alla romana, Roman-style artichokes, often fried or baked with breadcrumbs and herbs. Pizza al taglio, Roman-style pizza sold by weight, often topped with simple ingredients like tomato sauce, mozzarella, and olive oil. Pizza romana, a thin and crispy pizza with a slightly chewy crust. Gelato. Rome is home to many excellent gelaterias, where you can try a variety of delicious flavors, from classic to innovative. Street food. Supply. Crispy rice balls filled with tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese. Porchetta, a slow roasted pork shoulder, often served in a sandwich. Pizza al taglio, a convenient and delicious option for a quick bite. Rome offers a vibrant nightlife scene, catering to a variety of tastes and preferences. Here are some of the best neighborhoods and venues to experience the city's nightlife. Trastevere, known for its bohemian atmosphere and lively bars and restaurants, offers a mix of traditional and trendy venues with live music and outdoor seating. Popular spots include Freni e Frizioni, Bar San Callisto, and La Carbonara. Testaccio, a trendy neighborhood with a growing nightlife scene, home to many popular bars, clubs, and restaurants. Check out the Race Club, Primo Piano, and Testaccio Social Club. Monte, a historic neighborhood with a young and vibrant atmosphere, offers a mix of trendy bars, wine bars, and restaurants. Popular spots include Freni e Frizioni, also has a location here, Il Goccetto, and Freni e Frizioni. Pineto, a bohemian neighborhood with a lively nightlife scene, known for its alternative bars, live music venues, and street art. Popular spots include Largo Venue, Fanfulla 5A, and Nacasetta, Piazza Navona, and Campo dei Fiori. These historic squares are great for people watching and enjoying a drink at a bustling bar. Look for bars with outdoor seating where you can soak up the atmosphere.